Whose test scores last term were, okay, all these data we have, find the range. What's the minimum, guys? 6. What's the maximum? 10. 10 minus 6, this is the range. Max minus minimum, you know that. So 4. Mode, highest frequency number, yeah, which appears most of the time? I think 7, right? Yeah, 7 appears 3 times, so mode is 7. Median, mid value, so how many numbers we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 numbers. So median means divide by 2 and by 2, that is 4.5. so guys, fifth term would be the answer. So 1 2 3 4 5, this is the median. Okay, so we got that. That's very simple, guys. Now this is again a very good question. The cumulative frequency diagram shows information about the time taken by each of 200 students to solve the problem. Okay, all these informations we have. Now use the diagram to estimate of the median. You know that, right? For median, let me write it here, guys. For median, and over 2 for first quartile, and over 4, and median is second quartile, right? And third quartile, this is median, this is lower quartile, this is upper quartile. 3 and over 4. Okay, so n is 200, so median will be 200 over 200. So where is 100? This is the 100, right? So just draw horizontal line here and then draw vertical line here. So it's 14, right? So median should be 14. Now interquartile range, so 200 over 4, that's 50. So draw, this is 50. 50 can be here, somewhere here, it looks 11. So lower quartile is 11, upper quartile 3n by 4. 3n by 4 is 50. 3 times 200 by 4, that is 50. Now again do this and then do this, so something here 15. So this is 15, right? So interquartile range, upper quartile minus lower quartile, 15 minus 11, that is 4. Okay, that is 4. Now the test scores of 200 students is given. Score frequency, calculate the mean. You know that sigma xf over sigma f. So just multiply them together and add. 5 times 3, 6 times 10, 7 times 43, 8 times 75, 9 times 48, 10 times 21, and the sigma f means addition of all frequencies. Just do this, just calculate, you will get this. Sum of scores times frequency over total frequency is the formula. It's very simple. The height in centimeter of each of 200 plants is measured. The histogram shows in the result. Okay, that's fine. The frequency density, we know that frequency density is equal to frequency over width, right? We know this. Okay, fine. So yeah, frequency, yeah, is fine. Then frequency equals, just multiply them together. So frequency equal to frequency density times class width. Okay, so frequency density here 1 and here it is 30, so 1 times 30, so it has frequency 30. So this is width is 30 and frequency density is 3.5, right? So 3.5. so here I already found, here you can check. This is height, this is frequency, and this is midpoint I found. So I'll explain that and how we will find frequency. As you can see here, right, 1 times 30, 3.5 times again 30, but here width is 10 but height is 4, right? So this is 4. Now width is 20 and height is something 3.6 around. So that already I have done here. 4 times 10, 3.6 times 10, 0.6 times 40 here. See, this is 40 gap and this is 0.6, so 0.6 times 40. Okay, so all these frequencies I got. Class width is already given, as you can check, 50 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 160. That's how I found all these. So here you can check. Height is 50, 80, frequency, midpoint, we have to find the midpoint of this to get as data. So 50 plus 80 over 2, 60, 80 plus 100, 90. Now midpoint we found. So this is my data, this is my frequency. Just multiply them together. MF, 65 times 30, 90 times 70. You can check here. I found all these, right? Now we have MF and sigma MF. This is sigma MF, like sum of all these, which is 19950, and sigma of frequency, sum of all frequency, which is 200. Estimated mean means, you know, that sigma MF over sigma F, or sum of M times F over sum of total frequency. So this one you can found from here, and 200 from the bottom, sorry, 200 from here. So just divide, you will get 99.75. okay, so this is estimated mean. I know that I'm speaking very fast because I want to explain all these in least possible time, because solutions are already written. I don't want to write all this basic calculation for you. Already it's written. If you need to verify all this calculation, then you can pause the video and then you can just go ahead.